I clearly don't have enough projects going on at the moment, so yeah, I've just bought some more stuff to fix. Brilliant. I'm an idiot. From Facebook Marketplace, I spent £40 on a bag of random crap. Let's see what that crap is. Tekken 4. Metal Gear Solid 4 for the PlayStation 3. FIFA Street. Resident Evil for the Xbox 360. 50 Cent Bulletproof. Fantastic. What's this? It's a thing. Some old Android. Look at that. An XDA Pocket PC. Windows Mobile. 1.3 megapixel camera. Godzilla wallet. All the things I could possibly use. A wallet isn't one of them. Cool. A HTC something. Cracked screen. Might be able to do something with it. But look at this. A Commodore Liquid Crystal Scientific Calculator. This model's from 1979, which makes it older than your mum. Okay, bit of corrosion, lots of corrosion. I reckon I can get this up and running, get that bent back into shape. That might be cool. A Goodman's Wonky Knob DAB digital radio. A Lava digital radio, I'm assuming it's digital. The following items that you're about to see will never be working ever again, I assure you. A Canon camera that looks like it's been in someone. Fujifilm, another camera. Fujifilm FinePix, another camera. Sony Cybershot 12.1. And Nikon Coolpix. A Photonex 15. Ah, that's a film camera. What if there's any film in it? There's a film in it. Yes, there is a film in it. And no, I won't be getting it developed. Who knows what's on that thing? I could end up on some sort of register. Another Sony Cybershot. I don't know why I'm pressing the buttons expecting them to turn on. No, hang on. Is that the same as... Twins! Interesting. Same one as I picked up from the dump the other day. Wonder if that one works. Oh, yeah. Well, because I haven't got enough already. A Nintendo Wii. You'll see in an upcoming video that I've actually got 4 of these now. And a Wii Maxit. What is this? Portable USB-C HDR monitor. I doubt it works, but it'd be great if it does. USB-C. Well, that would be great. And yeah, some watches. A Torenzo Giovanni London. London. Seconda. Ugh. What is this disgusting thing? I can't see. Swiss Tech. Yeah, that's nasty. Oh, Eternity. Lovely. It's got diamonds on it. Ooh, a Steam controller. Why do I feel there's bits missing? Like, lots of it missing. Oh, what? A alarm. Push. I'm pushing. Push. I am pushing. Well, maybe given that it's an alarm, I should probably just leave it for now. A wireless TV link. Yeah, I'll save you hearing me embarrass myself. I got really excited thinking that I could just convert things to RF using this. But no. I mean, I'm sure it works, but it's not as useful as I thought it was going to be. Dell. You know. Jesus, look at that. Ooh. Designed for Windows XP with Centrino mobile technology. Nice. Okay, item number 1. The Goodman's DAB radio. Doesn't appear to have any volume. Well, there's volume control, but nothing's coming out. I'll have a look at that. See if the Dell laptop works. Now I've got the charger plugged in, or a charger plugged in. It's not going to be alright though. No, there's nothing even there. Yeah, I've just plugged in a different one. Not good. Radio number 2. Ooh, hello.
And that has security with it. Medical care in Yemen.
Sometimes you just gonna happen because.
Come and see with the family or a city escape.
No.
Head to smoothradio.com.
Nothing works.
On the back it says DAB radio. FM and DAB. Ah, mode. Here's DAB. Oh, it's got a bit of lag. Adventist radio. Get out. Could do with a little clean. Come on. Well, it's done the scan. Apparently it's playing. I don't believe it. This might clean up okay. What the hell? I don't think it's very well. Yeah, playing, aren't you? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. You're broken. We'll try a little reboot, yeah? Scanning. Don't do that again.
Mrs. Dale, that's one that needs to be dug out. Maybe I'll find that for next week's show.
Shut up, you chav.
Same era, same thing.
I wish I was dead inside and had no soul. I'd enjoy that music. Fantastic. Yeah, he's really good. Isaac. Okay, Fujifilm Fine Pix 4 megapixels. Ooh, on. Nah, maybe I got the batteries in upside down. Well, I've spotted a bit of corrosion. That can only mean one thing. Lemon juice. Yeah, sadly that made no difference. This one barely even opened, and I think the inside might be rusty. There's no battery for it, so I can't even turn it on. This one, it's in good condition, but there's no battery for it, so won't be able to test that. Ooh, this Cybershot has actually got a battery in it. So maybe I can plug in a USB to charge it. This one also has a battery, but no charger. And a missing bit. This one is missing a battery as well, so I can't test this one. And the Commodore 1979 calculator. Let's see. Nothing. Oh, maybe if we turn it on. Oh, we got something. Right. Look at that. It works. Yeah, with a bit of work, it'll be fine. The front and the back have come away from the middle. Yeah, with a bit of careful work, that should be alright. Oh, only room for 8 digits, which is what your mum said. So this Walkman doesn't work, and I think I can see why. Hey, it does work. Nice. It's got a nice little purr to it. I'm not sure if it's meant to be purring, but it's got a nice purr. Well, that's it for now. I'll put up some videos soon of some of the fixes that I've been cracking on with over the last couple of weeks, and also some of these little ones from today. I'll be putting them into a couple of short videos. Alright, see you soon. Bye.